made a Rakhi. I made this Rakhi. Look. We will make like this only. Look, there is corona everywhere. That's why it's really leaks. Go outside and take the Rakhi. That's why today I will tell you how to make the Rakhi. Let's start. Look, we want some things to do it. Look, some stones, some sparkles, and one thread, one pencil, one scissor, some circle, one anything, then some golden paper in square, and some 3-dimensional this paper, okay, and 2 size of this small paper. We want that much, and main point fairy-card. Okay, let's start. Look, take the paper, okay, then outline it with pencil. Okay, then cut it. Okay, cut it. I cut it. Now, look, like this it is. Then take this paper, okay, then fold it, then outline with pencil the flower. Start the flower. Okay, look how beautiful flower is. You want to make it. Now cut it. Where is scissor? Here is the scissor. Then cut it fast. Oh scissor, cut it fast. So funny it was, na? Let's go to our main point to make the Rakhi. This Rakhi will be so beautiful. Okay, in the end of the lesson, means the video, you want to make it. And friends, it's important to take some papers. Okay. After all, not, I will tell you something. But not in this lesson, means this video, in next video. Okay? Okay? These flowers are done. Keep it in the side. Okay? Here's some glue we will pour. Okay? Okay, my friends? Then take the stones Look, so nice this luck is made. Tell me friends, in next video we will learn about, yes, it's plants. In Lucky, I will tell you some water materials. Okay? Look, okay. Sometimes the stones are not working, that's why. Look, now we will do it. Oh, stones! My fingers too fast. It's very funny job. Okay, here do one. Okay, then take this flowers, okay, that we made, then glue it. Here also. Here. Only 2 flowers you want to. Look, now 2 like this and the third one also. Okay, then 2. Look, like this you will do it. Paste it. Then the main point, to your finger here and to the flower sometime like this. Okay. Then come to back and then glue some glue and then stick it here. Okay. Then take some glue. Okay. Then I am taking these stones. You can take other also, but I am taking this. Okay. Okay, my friends. Okay. Let it dry. We will do next step also. Take the thread and stick it here. Okay. Thread can't stick very properly. Our fingers will be cut. That's why we will do here some glue. Then we will take this that we made, but slow. Don't stick this. Sorry friends. Okay. Now stick it here. Okay. Let it tie. Look. Our Lucky is ready. Okay. Look friends, let's look same to same it is. Now this less stones are for, no, it's for anything not, but for a joke. It was a joke. Look, this 2 Luckys are not different, it's same only. Now I'll keep it all the down. Look, bye friends. Look, this Luckys are not different now. On thread is different. Bye friends.